video, we're going to make instructional materials about the triangular congruences. First, we will be making the truss bridge.
Second, for Paris wheel. Third is for miniature building.
Fourth is the illustration for the triangle congruence.
And lastly, PowerPoint presentation.
This tutorial video will aid you future teachers in creating instructional materials for your future learners.
For the construction of the instructional materials, you will need the following: 10 sheets of construction paper in assorted colors, 1 whole sheet of illustration board, glue, scissors, rulers, glitter tape or colored tape, sticks, bamboo or barbecue sticks, and for 1/8 sheets of illustration board.
We'll be making the truss bridge. We'll be making the truss bridge.
First, measure the dimensions of the platform. It is 18 centimeters by 80 centimeters, then cut accordingly. Now, apply reinforcement to the platform to reduce malleability. See the white stripe over there? Cut it 8 into 6 centimeters long strips and place them in the middle of the platform. Also add sticks to the side to mimic road guardrails. The structure is now quite sturdy. Now, cut 40 pieces of 18 centimeters long sticks and 10 pieces of 20 centimeters ones. Also, create 2 20 centimeters tall rectangular prisms with 4 centimeter sides to mimic foundations for the bridge. After that, we can now start assembling the truss above the bridge, first by assembling the sides. Create isosceles triangles whose sides are 18 centimeters and 18 centimeters and 16 centimeters, where the 16 centimeters is the side of the platform. We can then now start assembling the horizontal connectors of the sides of the trusses, followed by the set of diagonals which makes X intersections above. It now looks like a miniature truss bridge. Here, a 1 centimeter thick base for the bridge platform will be added to the structure to maintain sturdiness and reduce malleability of it. Do some finishing touches to the bridge and the column foundations. And there you have it, a miniature truss bridge.
We'll be making the Ferris wheel. We'll be making the Ferris wheel.
Let's start off by cutting 2 circles with 1 inch in diameter. Attach 8 popsicle sticks in a radiant manner. After that, connect the popsicle sticks with another popsicle sticks. This now resembles the front view of a Ferris wheel. Cut 4 10 centimeter sticks that will serve as connector of the 2 faces of the wheel. Poke a hole in the middle of the circles for the Ferris wheel to have an axle. Let's proceed with the platform. It utilizes a full popsicle and 10 centimeters long popsicle sticks. It has a quadrilateral base. Now simply put the Ferris wheel above the platform. And there you have it. A Ferris wheel. Give yourselves a pat on the back.
We'll be making a miniature building.
Let's start off by using 40 pieces of 6-inch long sticks and 50 pieces of 8.5-inch long sticks. First, make a cube out of the 6-inch sticks and make diagonals intersect on the sides of the cube. Add another diagonals on the top of the cube. Connect 4 6-inch long sticks on the top of the cube to make another layer of cube A and another set of diagonals on the sides. Do the same on the third layer. Finish it off with a roof and a spire. The miniature structural building is now complete.
Illustration for triangle congruence.
First, let's make hollow triangles with some origami or conventional technique. It's up to you, just copy the following product. We now have these. Make 10 pairs of these triangles. It can be irregular, right, or isosceles triangle. It's up to you. Let's now have the lettering of the words triangle, congruence, SAS, ASA, and SSS. Our 3 1/8 and 1 1/4 illustration boards were now decorated with the triangles made earlier. Now paste the letters on a bond paper so that it'll have depth. Then cut them out and paste them on the illustration boards. After some finishing touches, add 2 congruent triangles on the ASA, SAS, and SSS boards that depicts each theorem, and you're done.
We'll make a PowerPoint presentation.
First, make a title page, follow with the learning outcomes and the students' expected learning. The definition of triangle congruence will be introduced and followed by some examples of congruent and non-congruent triangles. The postulates of triangle congruence will be introduced. The first to be discussed is SAS postulate, followed by ESA, then finished by SSS postulate. Because of the inquiry-based approach in teaching, the teachers will ask many questions throughout the learning session. The inquiry will be wrapped up by checking their understanding. Finish it off with a thank you slide, and your PowerPoint is now complete.